In this video, I'm going to be revealing an ICT indicator which is so powerful that will literally pass your funded challenge for you. Literally, it's so easy. It doesn't tell you when to buy or sell. However, it gives you a guide on which direction market's going to go. It's all based on ICT concepts and you've never seen this indicator before. This one right here, this video right here, I'm going to go through the strategy plus adding an indicator on it. If you combine them together, it will help you pass your funded challenge in under 30 days and it will help you start making big payouts in literally under 2 months right here. So listen to this video properly because this will change your life right here. Again, a doctor spends 4 years in order to finally get their degree and you're not willing to watch this video for 10 minutes long that will pass your funded challenge for you and make a consistent 10k payout, and you're not willing to watch this video to the end, then there's no hope for you. So make sure you watch the video to the end if you can't pass your funded challenge and if you're not a profitable trader yet, because this video is a game changer right here, and I'm going to be revealing how to add this indicator on your chart and how to actually use it in order to actually benefit you. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into this. So this is called the Bills SMC Golden P03 indicator. It was created by someone in my group. It was meant to be only for my group, however, I'm going to reveal it here because I've got two indicators. This one right here is so much better than this one right here, but I'm just going to be showing this one. It doesn't mean this one doesn't work. This one's absolutely amazing also. Okay, so how we're going to use this indicator is that as soon as we turn it on, we're going to have some lines on the chart like these. Okay, it's not anything special. It's not going to tell you when to buy or when to sell. It's not going to be like a RSI divergence, nothing like that. We're basing it on the ICT daily power of 3. So if you know what the ICT daily power of 3 is, it's accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and we're literally using that to our benefit. Okay, so the indicator will tell you accumulation, manipulation, distribution, which direction you should enter for the market when you're trading. Okay, so for example, the power of 3 for ICT concepts is accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Okay, it goes to our upside right here. So accumulation, manipulation, which is towards the downside, and then distribution towards the upside. And there is clear proof of this, that this does work. So for example, if I go on the 15-minute time frame and we turn on the indicator, as we can see, when the indicator line is green, that means you should buy. When the indicator line is green, it means you should buy. When the indicator line is red, it means you should sell. Of course, not all the time it's going to go in your favor. However, that's why you have to use the strategy, which I'm going to be teaching you in order to actually benefit. Okay, right here, the indicator was red, it means you should sell. Again, we're using the ICT power of 3. We're not using anything else for this. The indicator is red, that means we should actually be selling in this case right here. Okay, it's very easy. You just got to know how to trade it. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video right here. And this strategy which I'll show you, you have never seen this strategy before. So make sure you listen properly, okay? So we've got this opening price right here, and we've got this green line right here. What we can do is, as soon as the green line opens, which is 7 a.m. UK time, if you go on New York time, that's all the way at 2 a.m., which might be pretty early. However, you can trade this in a different New York time, which I'm going to tell you later on. So what you can do is you could do it in two ways. You can use the Judas swing sort of way. So from the opening price right here, 5 o'clock, this is the daily opening price. We can wait for market to move, whatever it does. We can mark out the highest point and the lowest point, wait for one of them to be taken out, and then look for one of them basic ICT strategies. However, in this video, I'm going to show you something completely different, okay? So from midnight price, so from where the daily candle opens, so midnight UK time, all the way to the green line, okay? You're gonna be actually looking for nothing here, okay? We're just gonna let market do whatever it wants. So let's just say it wants to do this, okay? But if the line is green, that means you should be entering buy. So as soon as it's green, you're gonna look for sell side liquidity to be swept. So the most lowest point you can actually use right here, the sell side liquidity, or you can use the sell side liquidity right here, and you're just gonna wait for one of them to be swept, okay? So as soon as one of them is swept, or even both of them are swept, which is a better case, you're gonna look for a market structure shift with displacement, and you're gonna enter off the extreme of the displacement leg, the extreme FVG, and that's how you're literally gonna enter your trade. And that's how you're going to profit off this strategy right here, okay? And then where you're going to target is you're going to target the golden line. I'm going to show you what the golden line is, because in this video, with this indicator also, it also forms a golden line for you, which shows you where the daily opening price is. And that's such a powerful line. So that's where you're going to target. And this strategy right here, again, combined with this indicator, will make you pass your funded challenge. How to get access to this indicator, it's in the link in the description below. And just click it, add it to favorites, and then it's straight on your chart, okay? And also, if you want me to pass your funded challenge for you, guaranteed in under 30 days, or you get your money back plus what you paid for the challenge, link in description below. I put a video link, and then you can check that out yourself. As you can see, so many people already passed their challenge, and we also do account management after you pass for you guys, making you a consistent 10k a month, and it's literally costs you nothing. There's absolutely zero risk on your side, okay? So anyway, let's go straight to the chart example of how to actually use this strategy right here, okay? But before I carry on, I do want to say, if you want to join the mentorship, it's $50 lifetime, and it will change your life. I'm going to teach you two strategies which I've never teach on YouTube before, and literally these two strategies will change your life. It's less than $2 a day, and it's a lifetime $50. It's nothing more than this, and it's the cheapest mentorship you'll see for all everything you get. It's the cheapest mentorship you'll ever see. Again, the offer will end very soon. The offer is increasing a little bit soon because I've reached a big milestone of 11,000 subscribers, 10,000 also. If you want to pay with crypto, PayPal, email me right here. It comes with a premium indicator again, which I'm not showing in this video. Premium indicator, which 90% of the time tells you which direction the market's going to go. A one-to-one support whenever you need. I'll message you privately or publicly. Just message me and I'll reply. 5 hours of pre-recorded calls. It comes with learn and earn, so I live trade right in front of you with high win rate, and then you can enter the same exact trade which I enter. Okay, so it also comes with learn and earn, and again, it's cheaper than a pair of shoes. So join it today because you will miss out. And again, the mentorship is closing very soon, and the offer, I might increase it a little bit, but the offer is also going to end very, very, very soon. So here are some testimonials right here on my Discord chat. As you can see, so many testimonials already. I can't even say much. We have the best community. We have, like, I can already say it confidently, we have the best community right over here. And join today, link in the description below, because your life will change. You have a higher chance of changing your life if you join the mentorship than if you actually don't. So if you go on right here, the student wins. As you can see, like this, there's so much student results. I don't have to say much myself. Literally so many people already winning. Of course, there's not every single day where we profit. However, as you can see, most of the time we do profit because the win rate is so high and the RR is very good. So you can actually catch trades in the market and pass your fund challenge in under a week. Okay, so join today, link in the description below, in order to actually change your life. And again, crypto, PayPal, email me right here. Okay, so let's get straight back into the video, how to use this indicator right here. Okay, so the times which you're going to trade the strategy at is 2 a.m. New York time, and you can trade it all the way to 5 a.m. New York time. Okay, if you go on London time right here, you can actually trade it from 7 a.m. so as soon as the green line forms, all the way to 10 a.m. okay, which is quite a long time to actually trade the strategy. Okay, so again, what you can do is you can wait for a liquidity sweep to happen. The most recent low, which is this liquidity right here, this is the liquidity, the most recent liquidity. We're looking for buys, right, because the line is green, so we're waiting for sell side liquidity to be taken. And also this is the lowest point, so this is kind of like the Judas swing, because this is the lowest point and it's marked with the green line telling us to buy. And again, this is our most recent liquidity. So again, there's so many confluences aligned for that liquidity. Straight away, price took out the liquidity right here, and then we had this high right here. This is the most recent fractal high. Why is this a fractal high? Is because the candle before it and after it didn't go above that high. That's what a fractal high is. Okay, so let's wait for that one to be taken out with some sort of displacement. There you go, price took it out with displacement. The most recent FVG, the most lowest FVG in the displacement leg. The displacement leg was from here to here. This is the most lowest FVG in that displacement leg. Okay, so we're just going to enter off that. Stop loss below the low. As you can see, entry just like this. Stop loss below the green candle displacement leg low right here. And then again, where you're going to take profit is you're going to target this golden line right over here. And it's such a high probability that it's going to touch that golden line. It's very, very, very high probability. As you can see, entry in our trade, and then you can always target the golden line, almost always hitting your take profit. And as you can see, the win rate for this strategy is so incredibly high. You will pass your funded challenge in maybe 1 or 2 trades, just like that. Okay, so now let's go on the next example, and this is the one which is very tricky, so make sure you watch this one properly, because if you don't, you're not going to understand how to trade the strategy. Okay, so you're going to do the exact same thing. You're not going to remodel it, you're just going to do the exact same thing, and you're going to make money in the markets. Okay, same exact thing right here, as you can see. So the red line formed right over here, and before the red line formed, we took out the highest point right there. And then what also happened is that, just to align a little bit of confluences, there was another set of liquidity which formed right here. As you can see, there's a very nice set of buy side liquidity, so you can wait for that one to also be taken out. And there you go, price took out that one also. So then we have to have a market structure shift with some sort of displacement. So let's wait for that. There you go, market structure shift with displacement right over there. So where our entry can be is it can be in the extreme FVG right over there, but the displacement leg was from here to here. Okay, so that's literally what you're gonna do. So my entry right over there. The displacement leg wasn't from here to here. It's because this candle kind of had some momentum towards the upside. I actually didn't have any momentum. It was a doji candle. So this is where the displacement start, from here to here. So that's where my entry is going to be. Entry right over there. And then where we're going to target again, we're just going to target the golden line. Okay, we're not going to do anything special. We're just going to rinse and repeat what I'm teaching you. And you're going to make profits in the market. So let's see what happens. There you go. Tapped into the entry. And then take profit just like that. Very, very, very easily. So this final example is the one which will trick most of you out. So make sure you listen to this one fully and properly, because if you don't, you're not going to understand the strategy. Okay, it's another entry model which I can show you, but this is a completely different entry model which I'm going to show you right here. Okay, so anyway, same exact thing. Is the line red or is it green? It's red, right? So you should be entering sells only. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for some sort of liquidity to be taken out. This is the highest point, so we can use this as liquidity, or we can wait for a new high to form right here. There you go, a new high formed right here, so we can use this one as liquidity also. So let's wait for that. Okay, there you go, price took out both of the liquidities it never had a market structure shift. So there you go, price took out this liquidity also. Let me go and fix this. There you go. So let's wait for that market structure shift to happen. As you can see, we got a market structure shift right over there. As soon as we got the market structure shift, we can enter off the extreme FVG. However, what happens right here is that you got to enter your trade as soon as you get the market structure shift right over here, okay? So as soon as it touches, because of course with this strategy, once it starts running in your direction. Stop loss above the high. And then just to show you where you're going to target, you can literally target 1 to 3 RR, or you can target the golden line right here, which it does actually end up touching. So again, if you want to join the mentorship, join today, link in the description below. And if you want me to pass your funded challenge, again, link in the description below. That's it from me. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.